company which made a beer with floral overtones of marigold sprinkled with saffron that played against earthy vanilla with a rustic finish.
That's rustic, all right.
Then we had the National Rifle Association as a sponsor for a while.